Aryan Khan's debut series, Bads of Bollywood's trailer is now out, and what can I say? It's already the most talked about release of the year purely because of the names involved. Some people are sitting ready to criticize, but let's be honest, a genuine buzz is created. What is it about? At its heart, the story follows Asman Singh, played by Laksh. He's an ambitious newcomer chasing silver screen dreams bigger than his hometown. With his loyal best friend Parvez, played by Raghav Juyal, and a supportive family, he dives into the Bollywood's glitter and grit. But dreams comes at a price. He ends up against superstar Ajay Talwar, played by Bobby Deol, while falling for his daughter Karishma, a nepotism newcomer herself. Throw in a shady producer, a desperate yesteryear actor, romance, betrayal, and power games. You basically get a twisted, self-aware saga about the dark side of Bollywood. It feels like Om Shanti Om of Gen Z, but with world waiting to compare. Now the trailer itself loved the Bollywood references. Those cheeky nods to the scandals and insider gossip had me grinning along with Bollywood in its full crazy avatar. Over the top drama, masala entertainer vibe. If they're showing it all, I am all in for it. I already said it in my older videos. It's so much like Luck by Chance, and that's what I love about it. The irony that Star Kid is directing the cinema that showcases the rise of an outsider, and a alleged outsider is playing it by the way, to stardom, and then his fall conspired by a superstar, and then his rise again. Full masala entertainment. The cameos. SRK, Amir, Karan Johar, Rajamouli sir, Disha Patni, Badshah, the list goes on. Some of them are overacting like their life depends on it, but maybe that's the intentional satire. Visuals are slick, dialogues biting, party scenes flashy. It's the Bollywood exposing itself, but with sarcasm baked in. But here are my worries. Editing. सब कुछ दिखा दो ना ट्रेलर में, क्या ही जरूरत है? 3 minutes 28 seconds and it felt like we have already saw the entire show. Why cannot we have a crisp edits? Why not keep it sharp and leave some mystery? A trailer should spark curiosity, not give everything away. It's supposed to be the hook, but lately it feels like the most neglected part of filmmaking. Aryan Khan. He's got that SRK calm aura, but here's the worry. Way too much pressure. If it works, his second project will be judged 10 times harder. This project will be scrutinized to death. Even if it's good, some people will call it a paid PR. Hence, the storyline has to rule. But overall, trailer ignited a wave of enthusiasm. It's bold, twisted, self-depreciating, stunning, a satirical mix of masala and sharp commentary. Whether you love it, hate it, or call it PR, you just cannot ignore it.